first of all, we need to shorten the cable which is coming from the ceiling. Then we have to arrange the stripping, and then we will be able to install this lamp. And for this I will show you a type of screw I haven't shown you until now, which is a screw which is dedicated to plaster. Let's go. Before starting, of course, we won't touch anything before having cut the power on this arrival of electricity. The safest way of doing that is to cut the electricity in the whole house. Nevertheless, you can also keep some power in other plugs. For this I invite you to watch my video about how to find the right electrical circuit in case of works. So here it is extremely easy because there is already a bulb installed on this lamp. So I will just light on this lamp and I will cut the relevant circuit. Now the circuit is off, so I can now remove this provisional lamp. Very important, you have to go on a ladder for your safety. Here you recognize the very easy connectors usually used by professionals. So this here is quite long, which is good, which shows that the professional made a good work, because you need some margin, especially when you're putting wires into a ceiling. Nevertheless, we will shorten it slightly. Here you see a screw, and this screw has essentially the role of showing me where the beam is, so that in case I want to put something heavy, I can put a ring for fixing it. So now we can remove it. This excess of plaster, we can just remove it with a screwdriver. On the contrary of what you've seen on my video about the wall lamp, here there is no hole for putting the central cable. So this doesn't matter, it means you can put it anywhere. The best where it's plain, the most plain as possible. That's already enough. Okay. So here it's quite hard because I didn't remove much of this exterior part of the cable, which makes that it's still very hard. I should have removed more. I'm not super happy with the way it's fixed because normally it should be really close to the ceiling, but honestly, people don't see this usually. So I leave it like this, and it is up to you to cut more of the upper part of the cable for having more flexibility with the wires. I am putting the bulb back. And now I switch the circuit on. That's it, my friends. The lamp is now installed. We will have to change this bulb, which is giving a yellowish light, which is not very suitable to this lamp. We will change for a big round bulb. Some remains of these works. This is the bulb holder which was there initially, ideal for creating the grandma test. And then I have here a wire which is very nice, which is covered with textile, which I will keep, which I could use, for instance, if I'm restoring a lamp. Two lessons learned from this video. First lesson learned is when you're cutting the exterior part of the cable, make sure you're cutting more than I did, because I didn't calculate that it's giving a lot of resistance when putting the lamp itself. And the second finding is that here I use these screws for plaster. So in case you have, like me here, a ceiling made out of plaster, use these plaster screws because you don't need to put the wall butts, so it is by far easier. Before ending, let me remind you that I have also another video which is how to put a lustre, which means a big lamp. So it's of course exactly the same than here. The difference nevertheless is that you have to manage the big weight of the lamp, and in addition this is no lamp where there is no earth connection. I hope that this video was useful to you, and I hope that you liked it. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV1.